In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Wrike, making your project management more efficient and organized. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you have your browser open, head to the search bar and type in Wrike. This will lead you directly to Wrike's website, where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Once the website is loaded, you'll notice two main options on the home page. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Log In. If you're new to Wrike, you might see a tempting option that says, Try Wrike for free. Feel free to select this if you want to explore Wrike's features in more detail before committing to a full membership. After logging in or signing up, navigate to a task you want to set as recurring. Ensure you're in the item view to have a complete overview of all necessary task details. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the task window, and you'll notice a small icon resembling three dots. This is often referred to as the three-dot menu or More Options button. Clicking on this will reveal an expanded menu with several choices. From these options, locate and select the one that says Make Recurrent. This is the key step in transforming a one-off task into a regular occurrence, helping you automate what needs to be done repeatedly. A pop-up will appear once you select this option. At this point, you'll need to specify the frequency at which your task should recur. This could mean daily, weekly, monthly, or at any interval that suits your project needs. Furthermore, within this pop-up, you can also set the start date and decide when it should begin populating your schedule. Don't forget about the end date. You have the flexibility to determine how long this recurring task should be active, whether that's indefinitely or until a specific date. If there's a limit to how many times this task should repeat, you can set that too. Once you've filled in all the necessary details in the pop-up, take a moment to review your settings. Ensure everything aligns with your intentions, whether it's the frequency, start and end dates, or limits on repetitions. With confidence in your selections, navigate down to the Save button. Clicking this final option will solidify your recurring task, integrating the setup seamlessly into your workflow. And just like that, you've successfully created a recurring task in Wrike. This feature is a powerful tool for managing ongoing projects and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.